She woke up one morning and she said, "Oh, I got lyrics for a song." So I said, "Okay, while I'm on the road, I shall write the music." And with that song, she raised fund for the Haiyan.
Typhoon Haiyan.
Typhoon Haiyan, yeah. So this is the very first time Sheila and I did the demo, but we haven't done it. Did not sing
Not
it.
at all.
Yeah. So this is the first time we're singing it.
First time, but
Yeah.
but you can find this song on YouTube. She wanted me to say that. It sounds different because it's acoustic, so we've changed a little bit.
This one goes to Chris.
Chris and the sun.
He's back with the ice cream.
Oh.
My friend Tiny,
Hello.
I haven't seen him.
Tiny,
Yeah.
Megan,
Megan, thank you.
Megan, love you.
All alone in the darkness of this world, will anyone hear the sound that just won't cry? The voice inside them crying out for hope. Will you be there? Will you be there?
The eyes are searching for the hope of life. The hands are stretching out for someone to hold. To see the light in the darkness of it all. Will you feel the lost? Will you feel the lost? Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help of just one voice? Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help of just one voice? Fill my soul with dreams of hope for life. You give me strength, your hands caress my pride. Though I'll never walk this road alone, you will be there, you will be there. Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help with just one voice? Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help with just one voice? God has heard just one voice. Pray for just one life. See the rainbow across the sky, bringing back sunshine. For the hope of one voice, will you be there for me? Will you be there for me? Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help of just one voice? Will you hear the cry? Will you give that hope? Will you be the help of just one voice? The hope of one voice, the hope of one life, for comfort and warmth, to heaven to hold, to live and believe, change my world. You gave me hope, you gave me life, the hope of one voice, the hope of one life, for comfort and warmth, to heaven to hold, because you believe, change my world, gave me hope, gave me life, and the hope of one voice. I must tell you a secret. This ending was very difficult because we did not know how to end. Because it's got many pretty parts and
The key was very high.
yeah.
Thank you. I wanted to sing low.
Now then it would be like very low for me.